Hey guys, Steve and Kylie here from Top Guns out of Terre Haute, Indiana. What are we going to be taking a look at today, Kylie?
Today we're going to do our review, shoot, and rate on the Glock 43.
I didn't know we were doing it.
Chambered at 9mm, the Glock 43 is going to come with two 6-round magazines. Your overall weight with an empty magazine is going to come at 18 ounces. Barrel length at 3.41 inches, and your overall length at 6.26 inches.
MSRP is going to be at $529. However, at retail, we're going to see it a little below $500, maybe around that $450 price point. All right, Kylie, you and I both shot the Glock 43 in the past, and then of course today we shot it again. What are your thoughts on this gun?
Thoughts on the 43. It's smaller for my hand, so it's actually really nice. The recoil is not bad. It's easier for me to handle with it being a single stack and all around smaller, slimmer gun. It's easier for me to get back on a line with my sights. It's actually a pretty decent gun for me. Excellent.
And where are you going to give it on a 1 to 5 rating? Of course, once again, for those of you not familiar with this, 1 to 5 is relative quality versus price.
I'm probably going to give it 3.5.
I actually own a Glock 43. I like it a lot. You know, one thing we're not supposed to take into consideration, because we're not shooting enough rounds to tell if it's durable, longevity-wise, so we're not really supposed to take that into consideration. It's hard for me not to, because I do know from having owned one for a while now that it will handle lots and lots of rounds. So I might be a little partial based on that, although I'm trying not to be. I like how it shoots. It is a nice slender gun. They are reliable. It does shoot nice tight groups. I probably shot this gun a little tighter because I own one, and so I was able to hold a tight group. At 30 yards, that's not a bad group that I held at 30 yards. Was that 30 yards? I might have exaggerated a little bit. But no, not bad groups. You also held a very nice group, and you don't shoot one on a regular basis.
Right.
I'm gonna give it a 4. I think it gets a solid 4. I think it's priced reasonably. You're under $500. It's a nice, compact, easy to carry, easy to conceal gun, and it's reliable and durable. For those people who want to follow some of our videos, what do they need to do?
There's a bell underneath this video screen. Hit that bell.
Boom!
It'll send you notifications whenever Top Guns uploads our awesome videos, and you'll be able to see them.
Strike a pose.
And strike a pose.
Strike a pose. I'm not striking another pose. Learned my lesson first time. See y'all.
I'm not done laughing.
Today's lesson: Steve is not good at gangster. Gangsta.
Right, because you said gangster.
I need you to really quick turn around and get the window real fast. Really fast. Basil's right there.
Go.
I'm just gonna. So now for the important part, for those people who want to follow our review, shoot, and rates. Review, shoot,
Whoever wants to follow our review, shoot, and rate.
Look at my double chins.
You look like a cheesy...
That's why I grew a beard, so...
Like a cheesy 2000s album. That's also because you don't have a chin, Steve.
Cheesy.
I don't. It's very...
Cheesy 2000s album?
Yeah.
Like...
Oh, please give me a thumbnail pose.
You want to do one?
What are you doing, Steve?